My name is Kathy Kerns, and I am the Education Librarian. In addition to my master's degrees in library science and history, I have a PhD in education from the University of Pennsylvania. It is my job to select the library resources in whatever format for education, to create online guides and web pages, to teach people how to use the library and its resources, and to manage the Cubberley Education Library. However, my most important and interesting duty is helping you find what you need for your research and answering any questions you might have. This can take place via email or Zoom or in person. Cubberley Education Library is now on the first floor of the Anko building. Just inside the doors, you will find the service desk, reference books, current periodicals, and exhibits. Beyond the library lobby, you will find our extensive curriculum collection, including children's and young adult literature. Down the stairs, or the elevator from the library lobby to the garden level, you will find the reading room with books and periodicals pertaining to education and related topics. Also on that level are 2 meeting rooms, plus a room filled with historical textbooks and science kits. I have created a series of modules to help you get started with your research at Stanford University, but feel free to contact me with any questions you might have.